Hello everyone. In this lecture video, we will understand the different types of deployment models, that is the private cloud, community cloud, public cloud and the hybrid cloud. So here we'll understand who can access the cloud or where the cloud is set up. Now first is the private cloud. Here it is owned and used by one organization only, and a private cloud is dedicated to a single organization and it is not shared with the public or other companies, and this provides high security and full control over the data. Now we'll consider here one real-time example, like we'll consider a large bank like State Bank of India which uses its own private cloud infrastructure, and it manages all the systems internally instead of using the public cloud services, and this ensures better security and the compliance. Now there will be customer data which is very sensitive information and which is stored in the private cloud, and only authorized systems can access this data, and this protects the privacy and it prevents the data leaks. Then comes the transactions, where all banking transactions are processed within the private cloud, and this ensures secure and reliable operations and reduces the risk of external interference. Now the banking applications and the internal software run on the private cloud, and these systems are used for daily operations and the management, and these are accessible only with the within the organizations. So here only the bank employees can access the data. That is, access is restricted to the authorized employees of the organization, and strict authentication and permissions are applied, and this ensures high level security and controlled usage. So here it is not accessible to the public, and the private cloud, it consists of the customer data, transactions and the internal systems, where only the bank employees can access this private cloud. Because of this, it is secure, controlled and reliable. Next comes the community cloud. Here it is shared by organizations with common interest. That is, it is used by the multiple organizations that have similar goals or the requirements. Now they share the same cloud infrastructure instead of having the separate systems, and this reduces the cost while maintaining some level of security and the collaboration. Now we'll take one real-time example of several engineering colleges in the Karnataka, which share the research data and student internship portals. That is, these colleges come together to share a common cloud platform, and this helps them to collaborate on academic and technical activities, and here the access is limited only to the participating institutions. Now here the colleges can store and share their research work on the cloud, and the researchers from member institutions can access and collaborate easily, and this promotes the knowledge sharing and the innovation. And here a shared portal helps the students apply for internships across member colleges, and all the colleges can contribute and access opportunities in one place, which improves the student exposure and the coordination. Then here only the member colleges can access. It means that the cloud is restricted to the organizations that are part of the community, and unauthorized users cannot access the system, and this ensures controlled and secure usage. Now one more example you can consider here is the government hospitals, which share the medical record systems, where these government hospitals, these will share a common cloud system, and they use it to manage and access healthcare data collectivity, and this will improve the coordination between the hospitals. So patient records can be stored and accessed across the hospitals, and doctors can retrieve data quickly for better treatment, and access is restricted to authorized medical staff only. So here the key points for the community cloud are: it is shared by multiple organizations who are having the common goals and common interest, and it is more secure and controlled access, that is only the members can use. And last is it is cost effective compared to the building separate systems. Then comes the public cloud, where it is available to the general public over the internet, and here it is open for anyone to use via the internet. The infrastructure, it is owned and managed by the cloud providers, and users can access the services from anywhere with connectivity. Now, some real-time examples are the Amazon Web Services, which provides a wide range of cloud services like storage and virtual machines, and it is used by individuals, startups, and large companies. Then comes the Google Cloud, where it offers the computing, storage, and AI services, and it is accessible globally with flexible pricing. Then last is the Microsoft Azure, which supports applications development and deployment, and it is widely used in enterprises and education sectors. So here anyone can create an account, that is any user can sign up on public cloud platforms easily, and no special permission or organization is required, and registration is simple and quick. And here the users can pay based on usage, that is pay as you go model. No need for heavy upfront investment, and the billing is flexible and scalable. Here, after creating an account, users can access various cloud services, and they can store data, then run apps or host websites, and the services are available on demand. So, for example, when you store files on Google Drive, you are using a public cloud, and your data is stored on remote server, which is managed by the Google, and you can access it anytime from any device. So here the key point for public cloud is the public cloud resources are owned and managed by the cloud providers and delivered over the internet to the general public. Next comes the hybrid cloud, where it is a combination of two or more clouds. It may be a private cloud along with a public cloud. So it combines the private and the public cloud environments, and the organizations use both together for better flexibility, and it allows the data and applications to move between the clouds. Now, one real-time example for this is you can take a university which uses different clouds for different purposes, and sensitive operations are kept secure while general services are open, and this balance improves the performance and the security. And here it stores the confidential student records in private cloud, like important data like student records, and it ensures high security and restricted access, and only authorized staff can handle this information. Then it hosts public website on the AWS, where it allows easy access for students and the public, and it also ensures scalability during the high traffic. Then comes here the sensitive data. It is kept in the private cloud, that is it is always stored in a secure private environment, and this reduces the risk of the data breaches, and it ensures compliance with privacy rules. Then the general services, that is non-sensitive services like websites or apps, are hosted on the public cloud, and they can be accessed by anyone over the internet, and this reduces the cost. Okay, here it reduces the cost and improves the availability. So that is the hybrid cloud, where the hybrid cloud combines the benefits of both private and public clouds, and it offers security for critical data and flexibility for general use, and this makes it widely used in the real world applications. Okay, so here sensitive data, it is kept private because it requires more security. Then general services, these are kept in the public, where it is more accessible to the users, and it is the best balance of the security, cost, and the performance. So here this is about hybrid cloud gives flexibility and security and cost effectiveness. So this is about the deployment models. Thank you.